Hi and welcome to Tranam Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2017 Schuberth R2. The Schuberth R2 is a brand new helmet from Schuberth. It's been built from the ground up to compete with those big titans of the industry. We've got a helmet without a drop down sun visor. It's just a sports touring helmet. So it's extremely lightweight, made with our new DFP direct fibre processing technology. Makes the helmet really light, really strong and exceptionally safe, as with all Schuberth helmets. So let's talk you through a few of the features of the helmet and where we're going with it and how it works. If I spin it around to the side, you'll see a beautiful shape coming around the side, really individual, really unique to Schuberth. It's a directly designed helmet in Germany, made in Germany and completely conceived in Germany. So you see the shape coming around the back. You've got your spoiler running around the back of the helmet. This is so the air flows up, kicks off the back of the helmet and removes the area of turbulence from the back of the helmet for lift, away from the helmet so you don't get that lift. So you're getting zero lift at 100 km an hour with this helmet, so it's an exceptionally aerodynamic helmet. Of course, as with every Schuberth, it's been in the wind tunnel for 1,000 hours. That's our own wind tunnel, acoustically optimised and aerodynamically optimised, so it can work on most models of bikes. It should give you a really crisp performance and clean airflow. Spin it around again, you can see the engineering that goes into it and the wind tunnel design. Running across here, you've got these fins, or turbulators as they're called. This pulls the area of turbulence away from the earlobes, keeps the helmet a little bit quieter and keeps the helmet really stable on the head. Spinning it back around to the front, you've got an easy to open top vent and bottom vent. It's all about simplicity and weight loss with this helmet. I'll talk you through the weight loss in a second. So simple front vent, simple top vent, really lightweight. If you look at the visor, it's completely new, redesigned. The visor itself has a max vision inside it, so it's giving you the full aperture with the pin lock inside the helmet. So the Schuberth anti-fog system inside the helmet, not pin lock. Running around to the side, it's got a spring-loaded side mechanism, so it pops the visor back in, giving you a really good seal around the visor, stopping any rain coming into the helmet itself. Now if I spin around to the back, you'll see where the fun of this helmet really starts and how it's so unique compared to anything else on the market. As with the C4, its bigger brother, this incorporates the new Schuberth SC1 system. So around the back here is where all your wiring and all your componentry is kept. You've got your microphones built into the helmet itself as well, and you've got the speakers built in when you buy the helmet. All you need to do, buy the SC1 kit. That comes in two different ways. You get the standard or the advanced, and that just pops into these two slots on the back of the helmet here. So you pop your battery on one side and your Bluetooth unit on the other side. That's all the fitting you need. As I say, the microphones are built into the headpiece here and the speakers are built into the side. What are the advantages of this? Many advantages. First one, you get no rotational force on the helmet if you have an impact. So imagine you have a black box on the side of the helmet, you fall off, you can hit your head on the ground, that can force your head to twist. This might cause neck injury from rotational force. Second problem with black boxes on the side of helmets, they ruin aerodynamics. They ruin aeroacoustics as well, so you're getting a louder helmet and you're not getting this aerodynamically designed helmet. Third and fourth problem, fitting and the fact they're so ugly. So having a box on the side of your helmet ruins the aesthetic of the helmet. It also is a nightmare to fit, and you're changing the internals, which changes the internal shape of the helmet. With the Schuberth R2, as with the C4, you're not getting any of those issues. So that comes as standard on the Schuberth R2. All you need to do is buy the Bluetooth unit and battery. The battery itself is exchangeable, so if you're on a long trip you can put a new battery in if you need to, and all the accessories are available. Just have a look at tranam.co.uk to have a look at all the accessories. If we come to the inside of the helmet, a bit harder to see than it is on a flip. You can see you've got reflective points around the bottom for extra safety, emergency release cheek pads, which reduces the amount of stress on the neck if you do have an accident. So the paramedics are now trained to pull those levers, that pulls the cheek pads out and you can slide the helmet off without causing trauma to the neck area. Acoustically optimised chin curtain there to, again, reduce the wind noise inside the helmet, another great passive safety feature. And that's essentially the Schuberth R2. Coming back to the weight, as I promised, we're at 1350. Now that is exceptionally lightweight for any helmet, but this helmet itself has the microphones and the speakers built into it. That's 100 grams worth of electronics inside the helmet. So the helmet itself is actually only weighing 1250. So it's exceptionally lightweight, very aerodynamic, excellent aeroacoustics. You've got that built inside, the microphones and the speakers. Simple to fit Bluetooth kit from a great company called Sena. You've got the max vision anti-fog system and a huge vision on the visor. What else could you want from a full face helmet? Get down to your local dealer, try on the new Schuberth R2, ask them about the extended warranty for 5 years as well, so you get everything you want to this Schuberth. And for any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk.